Okay, so what we're looking at here is the Chrysanthemum Lace Bugs. So you might be familiar with lace bugs from azaleas. We see those quite often, azalea lace bug damage. However, this is a different type of lace bug that is specific to plants that are in the family of chrysanthemums. So this plant is actually an aster. It's in that same family. And you can see we've got some general yellowing here. These symptoms are called stippling. This is a sucking insect. And so we got to looking and we certainly found them. Here they are, chrysanthemum lace bugs feeding on an aster. So to treat this chrysanthemum lace bug, you could use an insecticidal soap or a general purpose insecticide like permethrin, and I would do that as soon as possible.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.